Hello, my name's Martin Fish and I'd like to talk to you and show you the new Cobra 2-in-1 hedge trimmer with a 24-volt battery here. Really is a great piece of equipment. You can use it as it is as a standard hedge trimmer. It's got a 50 centimetre cut and you can cut stems up to 20 millimetres in diameter. But where it's clever and different from anything else is we can take this section off very easily. There's a little trigger button there. We simply depress that and that pulls out like that. We can then take our extension one here, get it in the right way, and that then just slots into place and locks in to give us our extension, and then we can fit back in our hedge trimmer, which allows us then to reach much higher. And the good thing about it is it's also articulated, so we can angle it, so we can follow the contours of hedges, or we can make it at 90 degrees, so shorter hedges, we can just literally take the top out. So a great piece of equipment and really easy to use. So to use it, very simple. To switch it on, we just push the on button, hold it for a second or so. That shows the status there of the battery, and we can adjust the speed of the cutter, slow or fast. But what I'm going to do before I do actually do any trimming is put on some safety gear. Always wear goggles when you're cutting hedges and always wear a strong pair of gloves. And now we are ready for action. So to start this one, very simple. There's a trigger and little buttons at the side, so we have to push the button in and pull the trigger back, and away we go. Okay, and then very simple to take it back to a standard hedge trimmer. It's just the little trigger there, the top pulls out, and we can then take out the extender and pop that back in. So it is literally seconds to get it back in action again. Now, slightly different when we're starting this, there's an extra safety feature. We still switch it on the same there, and we still have to depress the button and pull the trigger in, but as you notice, it's not running. With this one, to prevent you getting your hand anywhere near the cutting blade, we have to pull in this lever just here. How we hold it as well, and it means then we can't cause any accidents and cut our fingers. So really easy to use in that way, and it's whether you're left or right-handed, this procedure is exactly the same, and then we can do some cutting. The great thing about having this 50 centimetre cutting bar is you can make good long sweeps, which keeps it nice and level and flat. With short blades, it tends to be wavy, but because we've got the length there, we get that really flat plane. And the other great thing for me trying this is the way to test a hedge cutter is the balance, and the balance on that is absolutely perfect, which again makes it easy to use. If you've got a petrol one with an engine here, it's very, very heavy at this end. This is perfectly balanced, so a joy to use. I've been cutting with it in this position, but again, you can swivel the head on this one. So we've got the two little levers there, and we can either twist it and lock it into place to the left or to the right. So again, it makes it easier to get into intricate areas or different shaped hedges. It just gives you that adaptability to make this a really versatile piece of equipment. Well, I'll finish that a little bit later on, but just to show you the battery here, the 24-volt lithium-ion battery, very easy to take off and to put back on. Charges really quickly, and the great thing about it is all the other tools in the Cobra range with the 24-volt battery can use this battery, so they're all totally interchangeable. For more information on the Cobra range, go to cobragarden.co.uk.